Greetings from Lilla Sand, this beautiful sandy beach in Värmdö. It is 25th of July 2024 and we have wonderful sunny day here in Stockholm and more specifically in Värmdö. Now it is actually blowing a bit, so that's why the beach is almost empty here and there. And this is actually one of the famous Björnö Sandarna. So there is one big beach that's called Stora Sand that I showed you last week. And now I'm visiting Lilla Sand. That's around less than 1 kilometer from the main Stora Sand. And this one is also quite less crowded compared to when I visited Stora Sand last week. And we have a very good portion of forest here and beautiful sand. And there are actually two sides of the beach here. In the middle there is some kind of plants, träsk as we call them in Sweden. But yeah, it is the Baltic Sea, obviously. And we have currently 22 degrees Celsius in the air and 21 degrees Celsius in the Baltic Sea. So quite warm and nice, despite having some winds. So let's see how the weather is going to be later today, but currently there is sun, which is amazing. So it's time for another beach adventures with Chris on this beach day number 104 of my Sweden beach adventures. So let's then get going and go in for a swim here in this beautiful paradise. So I can go from both sides, so let's choose this one for now. It's more convenient. You can see the sand, it's pure and super nice. And here as we enter, it is a bit more, it is still sand, but it's a bit more wet sand inside. And there is obviously rocks on both sides of the beach. And it's a bit of muddy actually, to be fair, inside the water. But after that it becomes more firm sand that is super nice to swim in. And you can see the whole beach from here as well. And as I mentioned, there are rocky parts on the both sides of the beach, Lilla Sand. So yes, this beach is located in Värmdö, and to get here you need to take the bus from Slussen that goes every half an hour. The buses are 4:28 and 4:29, and you will hop off at the station called Stora Sand, and it's around 500 meters walk from there. And yeah, so it's around 30 kilometers or so from Slussen, so quite convenient if you want to be out on the sea at Lilla Sand. So yes, and obviously there are some islands here as we are on the open sea in the Stockholm archipelago. So yes, 25th of July, beach day number 104, and I'm at Lilla Sand. So let's then dive in and take a swim here in this beautiful paradise. That was pretty amazing and quite a long dive, but it's super nice with 21 degrees in the sea, so it's perfect. or swim. So yes, this is where I am at right now, and my view currently over the sandy beach and the forest out in Värmdö on the open Baltic Sea. Amazing. Alright, that's a wrap from Lilla Sand in Värmdö, this beautiful sandy beach. Make sure to visit it if you are visiting Stockholm over the summer and want a getaway out on the sea. So thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!